Welcome to our guide on home renovation consulting. Today, we'll explore essential resources to help you navigate your renovation journey. First up, let's talk about some must-read books. Home Renovation, A Guide to Planning, Execution and Cost Management by Trithiwi and Brandon is a great start. For practical advice, check out The Homeowner's Guide to Renovation by Alien and Cummings. It covers finding the right contractor and managing your project effectively. If you prefer listening, there are excellent podcasts available. The Home Renovation Show offers expert interviews and practical tips on planning and budgeting. Another great podcast is the Renovation Coach podcast, which provides practical advice and industry expert interviews to guide your renovation process. YouTube is also a fantastic resource. Home Renovation 101 gives an overview of the entire renovation process, from planning to project management. For those on a budget, How to Renovate Your Home on a Budget offers practical tips to save money while achieving your renovation goals. Finally, don't forget online courses like Home Renovation Consulting on Udemy. These courses provide comprehensive guides on project management and contractor selection. Happy renovating!